Hey there, if you're new to freelancing and wondering where to start from, you've come to the right place. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm jannyoluomachi. Please, if it's your first time coming across this channel, do well to subscribe, like this video, and share. Okay. Today I'll be sharing 5 beginner-friendly freelance jobs you can easily dive into with or without so much experiences. Let's go right into it. First beginner-friendly freelance job I'll be mentioning is virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you help businesses manage their email, you help them with scheduling, you can help them with customer service, you can help them with general administrative support. Now, this is quite simple because one way or the other, you've been able to do something related to administrative support, either in your previous job or in your daily life activity. The best part of being a virtual assistant is that you can start with minimal experience and build up from there. Next on my list is social media management. Now, businesses, whether big or small, they all need help managing their social media presence, and this is where you come in. If you're familiar with Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, and other social media platforms, this could actually be a great fit for you. Give it a try. Number 3 on my list would be content writing, right? This is 2025. This is a new age, is a new era, right? And content writing is in high demand. Now, you can start with writing blog posts, you can start with writing product descriptions, you can even start with copywriting for websites, okay? Whichever way, however it is. So long as you have interest in writing, you have interest in putting down articles, coming up with articles, write-ups, blogs, and the rest of them, this is a great fit for you. The number 4 on my list, another great option, is transcription. Now, if you have a good listening skill, you have a good listening and typing skill, because those are the 2 major things required aside accuracy and the rest of them, right? If you have a good typing and listening skill, this could be a great fit for you, because here you have to listen to audio text and then transcribe into written text from whichever language it is. All right, you can also transcribe audio text in English from English to written English text of that same audio. All right, it's just a means of putting down what is said in an audio down in written form. So if you have those 2 skills I mentioned, this could be a great fit for you. Look up for it and check it out. And lastly is data entry. So data entry is straightforward and perfect for those who wants to start earning while building their skills, okay, while upskilling for more advanced freelance jobs. So those are just a few examples of beginner friendly freelance jobs. So which one do you think you would want to try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. In the meantime, please don't forget to subscribe. Subscription is free. Do well to like this video, comment and share. Subscribe for more tips on freelancing and how to level up your freelance career. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.